Last year we posted a blog on tax-free savings accounts, or TFSAs, to explain how they worked and why you should have one. This year we'd like to update you on a couple of items related to TFSAs. One item relates to naming a beneficiary or a successor account holder for your TFSA. Many financial institutions did not have the forms available for the first wave of TFSAs. You should ask your financial institution if they have a form on file for you. If they don't, you should obtain the form and complete it so that the TFSA can be transferred to your spouse or adult child without any tax ramifications. If you do not name a successor account holder or beneficiary, then the TFSA will lose its tax-exempt status when you die. The other item relates to the 72,000 letters CRA sent out to TFSA account holders who over-contributed in 2009. The CRA is prepared to show leniency for that year because it was the first year for TFSAs, and many people who over-contributed did so unintentionally. For example, they may have over-contributed because they did not realize that withdrawals don't increase the TFSA room until the start of the next year. So they might have withdrawn $3,000 in 2009, for example, and then replaced the $3,000 later that year instead of waiting until 2010. If you received a letter about an overcontribution, you need to respond to the letter with an explanation, or you may be subject to a penalty plus interest charges of 1% per each month of your overcontribution. If you've already received a TFSA notice of assessment that includes an overcontribution, please be sure to contact us about filing a notice of objection so that we can request that penalties and interest be reversed. There is a time limit for filing the notices of objection, so it's important that you inform us about your TFSA assessment sooner rather than later.